Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Got a quick tip for you today. Now, like a lot of people, I quite like the idea of having a double-sided sticky sheets. However, I can't buy them locally. They're quite expensive for what they are. So I've worked out a solution for it, and it is so simple, you're probably going to kick yourself that you haven't thought of it earlier. I certainly am. I have here a piece of book covering, the self-adhesive, cheapy book covering. I buy it on a roll, there's a lot of it on a roll, and it only cost me a couple of euros. I've cut a piece off, kept it on the backing. It's a bit wrinkly because I tried doing something else with it which didn't work. So now I'm going to show you the method that does. What you do is you fold it in half. This is so complicated. Now I have a little travel iron which I use in my craft room, and all you have to do is to iron it. Now I would recommend that you do this with the window open because you can get some fumes off of plastic. And basically what you're doing is melting slightly the plastic so that it is sticky on both sides. I'm going to turn this over. This is a silicone mat which is designed for oven use, so it's quite capable of taking the heat, and I've got a glass mat underneath that as well, just in case you're wondering. So I've got this set to the maximum temperature because this iron doesn't get super duper hot, and I wanted to make sure that it was going to work. I tried, and the reason this was wrinkly was because I tried doing it in my laminating machine. Laminating machine doesn't get hot enough to do it. So you've just ironed it, you let it cool off, and then you peel back one side of it. And there we have our double-sided sticky sheet. And if you get the temperature right, when you take this off, I'll do it from this side because I can see where it is. When you get the temperature right, it just kind of melts into the other side of it, and it just forms a double-sided sticky sheet. It is so easy to do, and obviously double-sided sheets have a lot of uses if you're doing, sentiments and stuff like that. You may be able to use double-sided sticky tape, but I can't get double-sided sticky tape, which is like 6 inches wide, without paying an absolute arm and a leg for it on Amazon, which I am not about to do. So I could literally cut this in A4 sheets if I wanted to and put them back to back and have a double-sided sticky sheet. Easy, quick, and very, very cheap to do.